Hi guys, in this video, we're going to talk about unordered list in HTML. In unordered list order doesn't matter. For creating it, we start with a UL tag, which represents the unordered list. And inside of that, we write a lie tag that we use to write our items. For example, let's write a list for groceries. If you see our header is visible, and also behind each item of our list, there are some marks. You can also create a nested list. For example, look at the cake supplies. As you can see, we need some supplies for making our cake, so we create another UL tag. For example, supplies would be vanilla milk and chocolate. As you can see, when we click Ctrl+S and save our file, we see the empty circles behind them. And our nested list is shown bottom of the cake supplies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.